I took a short from the all-time high. I just felt like it was going to pull back. I was having a profit target here, but I've been trying a new deal where rather than trying to hold on to a larger profit target just so I can get funded, I'm just setting a goal of 250 a day. And if I can get to that 250, I just kill it. Um, I can switch to a practice account at this point and see if it actually hits my profit target, or I could just mark it out. But this big wick here, my target would have been the 50% mark. You can draw it out with a fib, 50%, and then mark it with a line, or you can just leave the fib on there and see if it ever hits. But that would be my profit target right there. I think I will switch over and 56.90 quarter is what we're looking at. I'm going to switch to, so I don't erode any of this profit that I already have, to a practice account and go ahead and sell one short.
Order filled.
Just see if it gets there. I do think it will. I don't think my entry is the best right there. I would have preferred to be entering somewhere up in this area. But if it's going there, it's probably going to go there pretty quick. There's just no resistance. This would be a low resistance liquidity run. So we'll just watch it for a few seconds. If I would have held this trade on the other one, this red line would have been $612 profit. But can't really think about that. When you're trying to get funded, it's better just to take your profit when you see it. And my goal is 250 a day, and I'll be there. If it accidentally gets me a little more, gets me $300, that's okay too. But today I got 273 out of it, and so I don't want to trade anymore on that account. So I switched to the practice. My take profit is not on the red line. That would have done it. That would have stopped me out right there. And I was actually planning on taking a reversal here. You can see right there. It hit the red line and it would have taken it.
Order filled.
My automatic stop and take profit is at $300, so it put it a little bit under the red line. But you can see that's the consequent encroachment right there. And we moved away from that area with a gap. It looks like, oh no, that's just my order fill arrow. But if it's going to go back up, this is where it would normally stop and go back up. So just kind of keeping an eye on it. Kind of fun to watch how the market moves like that. We did put up a fair value gap there. We ended up coming on down. We took out pretty much all of this big candle after the news came out. So what might end up happening is this might have be an inversion fair value gap, in which case this consequent encroachment would act as uh, the high point for a reversal. You see, we're taking that one out. We had one here. So it may take this red line and continue on down. Um, I wanted to show here that this is my combine account. I had some bad days last week where I held trades I shouldn't have and lost some money. So I'm just now getting back over the 50,000 mark. Goal is 53,000, and then I will get funded. Um, I'm just going to be trying to take 250 a day out of the market, adding it to this account, and then I'll trade a different account until that one there is pretty close to 50,000. I haven't been trading it yet, but right now we're on this. I'm going to go ahead and take a short here, see how
Order
it pans
filled.
out. Just for the consequent encroachment, if this is going to end up being an inversion fair value gap, then we should see it go on down from here. And we are trading at all-time highs, and I believe market makers were pushing this price up for the sole purpose of selling it short. That's what I've been believing. because we've been doing nothing but go straight up for several days in a row. If you look at the daily chart, I mean, this is the last hiccup we had, and that was on July 4th, short day. So we started our run here on July 2nd, and we've pretty much been going straight and up. This day we only traded till noon, and so my hypothesis is that we would be trading down um, today. So that's kind of what I'm taking. I'm very tempted to trade my other account and see if I can get more than 250, because I think this could be a $1,500 day. I really do, but I'm just going to stick with my 250, get it funded, and then we'll see where we go from there. I've had so many trades where I've made $250, $300, and then watch it completely reverse on me and take my stop out. So that's kind of why I'm focused on that 250 number. Should be an interesting day. Good luck with your trading. Remember to be kind to yourself. The market itself does not define who you are as a person. It's you know, men oftentimes take it personal when they lose. It makes them feel things about themselves that aren't true, and I want y'all to guard against that. Um, so be kind to yourself. Only positive self-talk. The market's going to do what the market's going to do. Sometimes you're going to lose. It's just part of the game, and it doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It just means you're still learning it, and don't beat yourself up. Also, be kind to others. You never know what people are going through in their life, and sometimes people just do stuff that's really out of character for them, and sometimes they're just stick in the muds, and they're mean to everybody they meet. But either way, we don't know what that person has been through, and so say a prayer for them, be kind to them. I hope everybody has a good day today and good trades well, and learn something. CPI and PPI are big days, and we're having CPI today and PPI tomorrow. So just keep an eye on the market during that time. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. I forgot to add in this disclaimer, so this will be the end of the video. Always remember, trading futures is risky. The way I'm teaching you guys to do it is we're going to learn it on a paper trading account, so you have no risk. And then we'll use other people's money to trade with. We're not going to use our own. So don't think of opening a private brokerage account, because without the skills, you'll lose your money. Guaranteed. So, and you can actually lose more than you deposited. Don't go down that road. A lot of people have. Not a good situation.